Hello everyone, this is our 39th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision section called fractions. This is one of the not the higher topic, this is one of the topics we want to go through to make sure that we covered all the topics. So in this one you need to familiar with lowest common multiple, how to flip a fraction to do the division of the fractions, multiplication of the fraction, and arranging fractions in an ascending order, adding and subtracting fraction, that kind of things. And it's a small tutorial, just to, if you have time, just to scan through this one, so you need to know these all tricks. Hi, this is the tutorial we are going to discuss in this video session. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the Year 11 section, you can download the first 3 tutorials in a PDF format, thing free. And if you are familiar with the setup and the questions, and would like to download more tutorials and all the topics covered, then you need to be membership with our Smart Tutors website. The membership costs £2 a month. Yearly cost is £24, but when you join you need to pay up from £24 for yearly membership, which allows you to download all the tutorials in PDF and the exam past papers, etc. Further details how to become a member, there's a Google Drive shared documents, there step-by-step guide, so you can download. Under the description there's a link, check it out and become a member. Let's look at some exam style questions now. Question number 1, work out 2/5 plus 1/4. So let's look at this question. So let me change to blue color. So question number A is 2/5 plus 1/4. So the LCM for this both numbers is 20. So this is 20 and this also 20. To get the 20, you times this by 4. So the top also need to be times by 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. So this one need to be times by 5 and this one need to be times by 5. So 5. So 8 plus 5, 13/20. That is the answer for the A part. B part, 1/8 times 2/5. So you need to make this as an improper fraction, which is 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1, 20. 5/8 times 2/5. So 5 goes into 1, 5 goes into 5, 2 goes into 1, 2 goes into 4. 5 times 1 is 5, 4 times 1 is 4. So 5/4 is 1/4. So that is the answer for B part. So question number 2, work out 1/3 plus 2/5. So let's do the A part. 1/3 plus 2/5. So the LCM, lowest common multiple, is 15. So times by 5, 5/15, plus times by 3, so 6/15. So 6 plus 5 is 11/15. B part, 2 3/4 times 1 3/5. So you need to make it as an improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11/4 times 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8/5. So if you can cross cut, 4 goes into 1, 4 goes into 2, 2 times 11 is 22/5. So the answer is 4, 5 and 2. So there's a 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. That is the answer for the question number 2. Question number 3, subtraction. So A part, 2/3 minus 4/5. So we do this lowest common multiple. 3 and 5 is 15. times 5 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10, minus 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 4 is 12. So here is negative 2 over 15 is the answer. Question number B is 3 1 upon 4 times 2.5. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4 times 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. So now here cannot be cross cut, 65 over 8, and 8 goes into 8 times 64 and 1. So that is the answer for the B part. Question number 4, work out half minus 4 upon 5 times 1 upon 4. So this is the subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication has to be done first. So 4 and 4 cut. So 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. So the LCM for the 2 and 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 take away 2 is 3 upon 10. That is the answer. B part, 1 1 upon 4 times 2 3 upon 7. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4 times 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 is 17 upon 7. So cannot be cross cut, so multiply. 5 times 7 is 85, 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 how many times in 85? So 28, 56, 84. So 3 times 28 is 84. So 3, 28 and 1 remaining. That is the answer for the question number 4. Question number 5, 12 and a half. So 12 and a half divided by 5 upon 8. So change to improper. So 24 plus 1, 25 over 2 divided by 5 upon 8. So 25 over 2 times by 8 upon 5. 5 goes into 1, 5 goes into 5. 2 goes into 1, 2 goes into 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 20. B part, 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8. So the lowest common multiple is 5 and 8 is 40. So you need to times this by 8. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 16 is 31 over 40. That is the answer for the B part. Question number 6. Work out 178. So A part, 178 times 513. So 8 times 1 is 8 plus 7 is 15 upon 8 times 15, 16 upon 3. So as 8 can cut 1 time, 8 can go in 2, 3 goes into 1, 3 goes into 5. 5 times 2 is 10 upon 1 times 1 is 1. Answer is 10. B part, 3.5 divided by 2, 4 upon 5. 3.5, so which is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 2 divided by 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 40, 5. 7 upon 2 times 5 upon 40. 7 goes into 1, 7 goes into 2. So the answer is 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 upon 4. So that is the answer for the B part. Question number 7, 1 2 upon 3. So 1 2 upon 3 times by 2 3 upon 4, which is make it as an improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 3 times 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4. So cannot be cross cut. 5 times 11 is 55, 4 times 3 is 12, equal 4, 12 and 7. That is the answer for the A part. The B part, 5 2 upon 3 minus 2 3 upon 4, and you can do this as a various way. Like you can take 5 take away 2 and do the rest, but I will make it as an improper fraction. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17 over 3 minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4. 3 and 4 is the LCM is 12, and divide by 3 is 4, 4 times 2 7 is 68, 4 times 17 is 68 minus 33. 68 take away 33 is 35, so 35 over 12. So 2, 12 and 11. So this is the answer for the B part. I think that is the end of the tutorial. If you like to download this tutorial, get some practice and print it in PDF format, or this one, you can still get this one from our website called www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the Year 11 section, first 3 tutorial is free. If you would like the pattern and would like to do some more practice, you can subscribe to our membership channel, the website, and it costs you monthly £2, yearly is £24. There is a Google Drive guide notes in the description, see below. There's a link there. Download the membership guidelines and read it. If you like, you can get membership, then you can print all the tutorial and do all them. And I hope you like the video and how we are doing the topic revision. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any friends who need help during this Easter and before the maths exam, and you can feel free to share our YouTube channel, get everyone subscribe and get this word spread across your friends, and they can get benefit out of it. Thank you so much.